What is up, club members? How y'all doing? Welcome to another video to the Club Talks. This is your boy Asad. Today I'm here at the KTM showroom Vijayawada to test ride and review this beautiful bike KTM 125. KTM 125 Duke is powered by 124.7cc engine. This Duke 125 engine generates a power of 14.5 PS at 9250 rpm and a torque of 12 Nm at 8000 rpm. The claimed mileage of Duke 125 is 46.92 kmpl. KTM 125 Duke gets disc brakes in the front and also in the rear. The curb weight of this bike is 159 kgs. KTM 125 Duke has tubeless tires and alloy wheels with the fuel capacity of 13.5 liters and the seat height is 1083 mm. So KTM launched the very latest and 2021 edition of the KTM 125 Duke entry-level version in the product portfolio. The 125 Duke comes for Rs 1,70,000 ex-showroom, which is slightly costlier as compared to the outgoing version. The KTM 125 Duke first arrived in the Indian market back in the year 2018 and was priced around Rs 1,18,000 ex-showroom. The 125 Duke has been updated with new styling tweaks in addition to cutting-edge bodywork along with brand new WP suspension systems. This Duke draws design inspiration from the KTM 1290 Super Duke R flagship, and the new bodywork has a bigger part of the steel trellis frame chassis exposed. The entry-level model from KTM also comes with the brand new bolt-on rear subframe and a bigger steel fuel tank with higher capacity. KTM has offered two colors, namely ceramic white and electronic orange. There is also the single-cylinder 125cc engine that dishes out 14.30 bhp and 12 Nm. Output remains similar, although the engine now adheres to BS6 norms and the 6-speed gearbox is paired with single-channel ABS and the single front disc. So let's talk about the design. The KTM 125 Duke looks stylish and unlike other regular 125cc motorcycles. It is a suitably sized naked street motorcycle with the same dimensions as the elder sibling, namely the KTM 200. The 125 Duke sports almost the same appearance like the 200 Duke since 95% of the components are also identical. The chassis, wheels, suspension setup, body panels and instrument cluster are shared with the KTM 200 Duke. In global markets, the 125 Duke comes with a modern styling template inclusive of the 390 Duke inspired design touches and full LED headlight. In the Indian market, the old model is still offered for keeping prices competitive. The design looks sharp and sporty enough, although the overall design has a dated feel to it from a global market perspective and in terms of overall road presence. However, the 125 decals on the fuel tank are the key differentiator for the baby KTM Duke model as compared to the KTM 200 Duke. Let's talk about some tech. The KTM 125 Duke gets a series of features including the standard single-channel ABS along with the fuel warning indicator, gear indicator, engine kill switch, pass light and fuel gauge. All other latest technologies are available including the TFT instrumentation with inbuilt smartphone connectivity along with LED lighting as well. And now the biggie, the performance, because all that matters is performance. The KTM 125 Duke performs reasonably well with its single-cylinder DOHC liquid-cooled 124.7cc engine that dishes out 14.30 bhp at 9250 rpm. The power output is almost similar to several premium commuter motorcycles in the 155 to 160cc sporty bike segment, and performance is not thrilling but adequate. The motor has to be going fast for being nudged into a more urgent response. However, the engine responds well to revving and the rev limiter comes in at around 10,000 rpm. However, it is mostly created for city riding including regular commutes and so on. 60 to 80 kmph in the city is the sweet spot when the roads are empty and riders will appreciate the refinement and smoothness of the engine. Okay, so here comes the final question. Is the KTM 125 Duke good value for money still in the year 2021? The KTM 125 Duke is an ideal motorcycle in this category if you are looking for a sportier feel, better performance, and some more fun while riding. The bike is stylish, offers decent performance and ample refinement and sophistication with components not found in usual 125cc commuter bikes available in Indian market. The KTM 125 Duke offers good road presence along with stellar manners on the road and also an unmatched appeal which will attract younger buyers. Being a 125cc bike, it may be a comparatively safer choice for younger riders who can start honing their biking capabilities en route towards moving up to bigger and more performance-based motorcycles. How does the KTM 125 Duke ride and is it comfortable and all that good stuff which you wanna know and will be uploaded very soon in the next video. So with all that being said, if you are looking for a daily commuter which looks oh so stylish with good mileage and great power, this is the way to go. Thanks to KTM Motors Vijayawada for their help in making this video possible. If you are living in Vijayawada or somewhere near, you can tap them. I'll leave their details in the description below and also pop up on the video. And don't forget to watch my full test ride review of this beautiful bike coming very soon on this channel. And I'm sure you don't want to miss that. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon so that YouTube notifies you when the video is uploaded. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.